Hey, this is Arlene. So I've been coughing up a lot of phlegm, and I've been coughing up a lot of phlegm, and I don't know if there's something on my backpack, but I am getting targeted in the back, and I'm thinking there's something in there. This one popped out of nowhere. I tell you, man, they just pop out like a Pop-Tart from the toaster. Bam! So anyways, getting back to me, I am going to stand here in the light. So this is my backpack here. Hold on, let me see. Okay, this is my backpack here, and I'm getting targeted from it to my lungs. And this happens all the time, but today I was targeted in the back from apartment 302 and 404. So I've been coughing up like a lot of phlegm, which is yucky. And also taking breaks from frequencies. So I'm like way behind in my studying, and because I'm way behind in my studying, I am going to do lots of videos. And that's all I could actually do. This one's a regular, the blue Mustang, or whatever it is. Oh, BMW or Lexus. So anyways, that's basically what is happening with me. So getting targeted a lot in my back. And I think there's something in my backpack, or just something that is activated, chemicals activated. I don't know. Whoever's targeting me knows.